Hello, good morning ladies and gentlemen. It's Wendy from Wendy's Crafting, and I've been so excited to do this for you today because I tried it last night and it worked, that I haven't even had my first cup of tea yet. So hey ho, here we go. Now I put an order in with can you see there? I put an order in with Stampin' Up to the value of £90, and I got this A Touch of Ink. It's a celebration set. And what happens is, if you spend £45 is what the first cut-off point, but if you spend £45 you could pick a reward. And then if you spend £90, there are a few other rewards that are obviously involve much more. Now this one was £90 because, as you can see, it's a two-step stamp. Oh, I said that first thing in the morning, eh? Well, I never. Right. Now, I found something out last night. I worked it out or whatever. So I thought I'd do this with you this morning so that if you want to do it early, because you need to do it about 3 hours before you make your card. And now I can't find my stamping block. I did you last night. I'll have to use this one. Oh, look, it's right next to me. Oh dear, not a very good start for the day, is it? So, I'm going to get this lovely little flower. Right, flower? Here we are. I'm going to put it on my block. Let me just see you can see everything. Yes. Yeah, this is annoying me, so I hope if it's annoying you, I'll get rid of it as well. Or rather, if it's annoying me, it'll be annoying you, so I'll get rid of it. Right, I'm going to use Memento black ink, tuxedo black, because I want to colour it in with blends, with these. Now, if you're using watercolour, then you do need to get the other one. Was it the Versify one? I think it is. Oh, hang on. Yeah. No, I've got it here. It's the Archive Link. It's permanent and waterproof. So if you're using inks, if you're using blends or doing any watercolouring, this Archive Link is the best one for it. But as I'm using blends, I will make sure your stamp is well inked. Check your block, check your block, check your block. Oh, sorry. It's not early, but it's early for me. Well, no, it's late for me, but there we are, never mind. Here we go. Right, so I've inked the stamp up. I'm just going to put it there for now. I hope you're all staying well and your plans for today are going well. Right, I'm using here light and dark Daffodil Delight, the alcohol-based inks. Right, so I'm using the light first. I'm just going to sorry, this is me. I'm very quiet in the morning. I don't talk much. You should probably think, oh goody, you could do more morning ones then. So we found out how to keep Wendy quiet. Make sure she does a morning one. Right. Is that one? I think that is one as well. I did do one of these last night, so I can show you that when when I finish this, I shall show you what I mean. Unfortunately, my laptop is feeling very poorly at the moment, and it's at the fix renders. So I'm going to have to try and do this. Try and put this on with my old computer. Unfortunately, my old one does tend to overheat, so I'm hoping that it'll stay well long enough for me to... Now, I've just put that darker Daffodil Delight just for a bit of shadow. And it's where, you know, if the light's coming from here, there's going to be shadow on these ones here. So I'm using the lights then just to blend it all in. Try and do it when the ink is still wet, because they do blend in better together. Is that one I'm going to just do a little bit on the side of each one. Try not to leave your top of your ones open for too long, because they will dry out. Right. Is that the top for that one? Yeah. Is it? Yes, it is. Right. Now that that's done, I just need to get it green. Is this green? No, that's blue. Here we go. Old olive. Good old olive. Good old olive. Because I think that's supposed to be a bud. Here we go. Now just do the finishing little touches that you might have missed, because you tend to concentrate on the blending and making sure that... I've got blood on that, never mind. Yeah, you're concentrating on blending the two colours together, so it is quite easy to... As you can see here, I'm just touching up the edges. Here we go. Right, now then. Where's it gone? Oh, here it is. If I can get this open. Here I'm using Mod Podge Dimensional Magic. Now, usually with this, you need to have it... oh, how can I say? Oh, right, I'll just demonstrate with this. Oh, dear. Can't even open that this morning, right? Yeah. Now, usually... you need something like that. I think they're called cabochons, or you can use, you know, like, oh, what are they called? You know, the bottle tops and stuff, and you can put things in there, and you can make necklaces and all that. But what I'm doing, let me see if you can see everything I'm doing now. Don't want you miss this. Oops, now be careful, because it does come out without needing to be pushed, pressed rather, which is very good, because you can make sure you're getting it done to all the right place. Well, there I've done a bit of a boo-boo, but it doesn't matter, it's all in. As you can see, I'm not squeezing it at all, it's just coming out when I'm... I think that's it, little one there. And then try not, because you haven't got the depth for it to settle, then leave it as it is. I put the lid back on there. I always put a bit of plastic underneath it. So, what I'm going to do now... So keep it on a level playing field, I was going to say, but just keep it on a level, because This is the one I did last night. Let's try it out. Can you see? It's, I don't know the right word, but it makes the flowers more bumpy. But you're going to have to wait for it to dry, which is why I showed you that this morning, so that maybe if you want to do something along with me later on, you'll be ready. So it's just the Rodge Podge Dimensional Magic. There is another, what's the other one called? I think it's Glossy Accents, the other one is called, but unfortunately that was sold out when I went to get it yesterday. But I'm happy to announce that this works. And it just gives another dimension to your flowers. So thank you very much for watching, and I shall be back later on when I've had my tea. Bye. Have a safe day.